Hello kids, today we will draw a cute Scooty. So let's start. First draw a small circle on the paper. Now draw another circle, just its outside, like this. Good job! Now draw the Scooty body. Draw a curved line, then draw a long line, like this. Make the end curvy and long. Well done! Now draw the other side just like this. Do the same thing, and it's done. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Look, we draw it like a box. Now draw the Scooty wheels. First draw a horizontal line. Now draw it and make curvy. Good job! It's looking very beautiful. Now draw a line, like this. Draw another line, just it's looking. Now connect both the lines, like this, and it's done. It's looking very great. Now draw the handles. Draw a line. Then draw another line, just it's parallel. Lastly, connect the ends and draw a small line. Good job! It's looking very nice. Now draw the other handle, just like this. Do the same thing, and it's done. Now we can control the Scooty. Now draw a cute and happy face. Draw a circle, then slowly fill the color. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Well done! Now draw the other eye also. Draw a circle, then slowly fill the color. Good job! Lastly, draw a cute smile, like this. Look how cute it's looking. Now draw the side mirror. First draw an oval shape, like this. Then draw a line, and connect it. Well done! Now draw the other mirror, just like this. First draw an oval shape, like this. Then draw a line, and connect it. We almost complete the drawing. Lastly, draw a cute heart shape in the Scooty. Just draw like me, and it's done. Good job! We complete the drawing. So let's color it. First use blue color, and color the Scooty body. Color the outline, then you will not make any mistake. You know what? It's very easy to draw. So click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel. Color carefully and don't color the eye and mouth. You can also use different color if you want. Use different color and make it more beautiful. Just color step by step, and it will look very great. Good job, it's looking very great. Now use pink color and color the Scooty wheels. Color the outline and don't color the heart shape. Well done, now color the circle of the Scooty. Color the outer part, like this. Lastly, color the handle. Color only the tip of handle, like this. Look how colorful it's looking. Now use black color and color the wheel. Color slowly, and it's done. Now color the handle also. Color the handle, just like this. Color only inside, and don't make any mistake. Use red color, and color the side mirror. Color the oval shape. Now color the cute smile. Lastly, color the heart shape, and it's done. Now use yellow color, and color the Scooty light. Color the round shape, and it's done. Look how cute it's looking. Lastly, use white color, and make the drawing more shiny. First, draw a circle on the eye. Good job, now draw a small circle, and it's done. Now draw a line on blue part, like this. Draw a small curve on corner also. Now draw a line on pink part. Draw a line and make curve. Draw a circle part just like this. Draw a small curve on other side. Also draw a line on yellow part. Draw a straight line on handle. Also draw a line on tire. Lastly, draw a line on red part, like this. Draw a line on heart, and it's done. Good job, we complete the drawing. Look how colorful and cute it's looking. To watch more drawing video, click here and subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.